In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on the PayPal mobile app step by step. First, open the PayPal app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. On the home screen, you'll see your PayPal balance at the top, and if you've never purchased crypto before, your crypto balance will be zero. To start, tap on the Finances tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see different sections for your PayPal balance, savings, and crypto. In the crypto section, PayPal currently supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and even their own stablecoin, PayPal USD. To continue, tap on the Crypto tab. Now, you'll see the option to buy. Tap Buy, and you'll be asked to select which cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Since we're buying Bitcoin, select Bitcoin from the list. On the next screen, you'll need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. You can type in any amount in dollars, for example, $10, $50, or even just $1 if you want to test it out. After entering the amount, tap Next. PayPal will then show you the details of your purchase, including the current price of Bitcoin, how much Bitcoin you'll receive, and the transaction fee that applies. Keep in mind that PayPal's rates and fees are usually higher compared to using a dedicated crypto exchange, but if you just want a simple way to buy Bitcoin, this method works fine. After reviewing the details, choose your payment method. By default, PayPal will use your available PayPal balance, but you can also connect a bank account or debit card if you prefer. Once everything looks correct, tap Buy to confirm your purchase. You'll see a confirmation screen saying, "Congratulations on your Bitcoin purchase." Your new Bitcoin balance will now show up under the crypto section of your PayPal app. From here, you can buy more Bitcoin, sell your Bitcoin for cash back into your PayPal balance, or even send it to another wallet if PayPal allows transfers at that time. That's it. You've just bought Bitcoin using the PayPal mobile app. It's quick and simple, though not always the cheapest way to get crypto. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.